She don't care. She loves her daddy because he likes cheese.
Do you think Paul's not ready to be driving?
No. That's just my opinion.
What?
I said that's just my opinion.
Well, it's nice that you let him get in the car and drive his family now.
Stay away.
Daniel had a mess in there. He had his pretzels, his blocks, his juice
And
bars.
you probably told on her, didn't you?
No, I didn't say nothing. I don't care.
Do a little dance. Make a little cheese. Get down right. Get down right. Which one you want?
Stop teasing my
Which one you want? You want this one or this
Look at
one?
her eyes. They're like so blue.
This one. Take this one, it's bigger. No, this one.
Dickie. Oh my God, was that rotten mean? That was just downright rotten. You're a freaking jerk.
She never gives me none of her food.
What, do you want that?
I'll eat that.
Chex Mix?
Yeah.
You don't like Chex Mix.
I need a cigarette.
Oh dear God, help me. If we would just go to bed, you wouldn't be worrying about cigarettes, and in the morning you could go 7 days.
Hi. I dream about cigarettes.
You know what, I gotta set my alarm. My boss never called me today. I have a feeling she didn't get my message.
Nobody does.
What are you gonna do about tomorrow? You better call somebody.
Call nobody.
You have to call them and tell them why you're not coming to work today.
They don't need to know why I'm in town.
I'll talk to you tomorrow when you're drinking.
No, as long as I call them before 2 o'clock. That's my starting time. You already think my dad's dead.